So, welcome back guys. So, have the food vendors down here. It's got plenty of food stalls here, plenty of variety, plenty of people here today actually. So going forward we have the free climbing wall to the left, and then we've got Dimension X. They're here, that's a 3D experience. To get a bit of a view in what's happening there. Cool, panning around, going to get a bit of an oversee of the rest of the festival. So we have the marquee, that's just a big seating area. So you can grab some food, sit in there, chill out. The stage is just over here. So here we have the stage. Plenty of space to sit under, and although the sun's out, so could be enjoying that. Then behind that we have the ice rink. Beautiful day. Just panning around, getting a bit of a view. So we've got some people there on the ice rink. And just getting another view over here. So as you can see, there's a stage, some marquees. Another marquee there with a bar, so if you feel like a drink on this beautiful day, we have the options. Then swinging around we have the ice sculptures in this marquee. So it's worth checking out, they're still working away on them. So there's about 5 or 6 ice sculptures there being worked on. So if we pan around, we're going to go and have a wee look at the water walkers and bumper boat area, the kids zone. So as you can see down here, this is the bumper boat. So again, all free entertainment for the kids. It's got the bumper boats there, and then to the right we have the water walkers. Again, that's all free for the kids as well, and I mean some adults can actually go on that one as well. So some options. And then that is the inflatable cube provided by Event Hire. And what's happening in there is the kids igloo, so they've got face painting and all lots of free entertainment in there. And then if we go over this way, some more kids entertainment. We've got candy floss in there, there's a big line for that, popular today. And then we've got the igloo up that's got a free photo booth in there. And I think that's kindly sponsored by Westpac. And then over here we've got plenty of castles. We'll swing around and give you a bit of a better view of it. So we've got a few castles here, again from Event Hire. They've got a pirate ship theme one, we've got an obstacle course, and we've even got a frozen one to fit in with the winter festival theme. We've got one there for the under 5, so you don't have to worry about the young ones. So just going over for the overview. So now if I swing around here, there's another inflatable cube up. And so in this one here, proudly sponsored by Toyota. We've got a nice new looking model outside. That is free virtual reality hub, so that's worth checking out, something pretty cool. Got FOD, they're busy, making great coffees today. Plenty of kids on the rides. We'll go over to the stage and take a bit of a look. So we're just gonna go down and show you a bit of the action around the marquee, around the station. Hopefully they see us and they might give us a wave. Alright. So on the left hand side we've got Stadium Cars doing the, you've got to guess how many bulls are in there, and you can win a free trip to Hanmer, vehicle provided. So lots of freebies today, definitely worth checking out. So down in here we've got the Christchurch Casino marquee. They've got the bar in there, and so if you feel like a drink today, it's the place to be. They've got the Fiat out here, so you can win a Fiat if you fill out your form and drop it into the casino. You're in the draw. It's got some entertainers on the stage there. Just looking over this way, over just below that carpet sign, we have the ice sculptures over there. Some more food vendors. Gives you a good overview. So we got the climbing wall over there, Dimension X, and then the food vendors to your left now. So here's all the food vendors. Place to be. Swinging right round, Mediterranean, and then FOD, looking down the lane. So just swing across. Have a bit of a view of the lane. You're just going to do a bit of a 360. You'll get to see the entertainment. So here's water walkers. In the igloo we've got the free photo booth. The Cube, Kids Cube, got plenty of kids entertainment. We've got fairies in there, free face painting and all sorts. We've got the bumper boats, again all free, kids are loving it. Bumping around. And swinging right round, right above the stage there. And then we'll overlook, we won't see too much there, but that's the ice skating rink behind us, behind that tree there. So what we'll do now, we'll get a bit of a high shot now. Get a bit of a view for ice rink, very popular today. I'm just going to keep trekking high here and you'll get to see the overview of the rest of it. So that is it. We're here till 5 PM, so if you haven't come down already, do. High Street stalls are still there. Plenty of free entertainment. Plenty of food vendors. Definitely the place to be on a sunny Saturday. Right, and that is it for me. Low batteries up, so we'll see you later. Thanks for joining.